The man had an unexpected encounter with a puma. It warned him that this wasn't a place he could roam freely.
No! No! Go away! Go away! Please go away!
Oh no, so dangerous! Leopards frequently move into the village searching for food. The villagers tried to catch it, but they didn't succeed. It's definitely a bad idea to challenge such a muscular animal.
Welcome back to Grandma's house. He's choking me out. Welcome back to...
That was what I was looking for.
You alright?
Now it's my turn. You see that?
He claims it's friendly.
It's not. It gets vetted by there's a vet on the thing. Look, see?
He's probably wrong.
Animals are naturally curious, and once they smell something in your bag, they'll do anything they can to get it. Say that if a bear comes your way, you should try your best not to run, or else this will happen.
What is that noise?
I don't think there's anything scarier than this. Minding your own business and a bear starts lurking behind you.
There's a bear right behind you guys.
Oh my god.
Literally? Actually? Like to your, right next to you?
Just don't.
Задом иди. Разворачивайся, я не хочу. Задом иди. Я все понимаю, что вот этот красавец стоит и смотрит. Ну, блин. Костя, езжай назад. Задом. Едь. Там тем более их сколько, 2 или 3? Двоих видели точно.
Что, сейчас видео?
Выезжай, выезжай. Все, видео, я заснимаю. Вот, он... Выезжай. Посмотри, что делается. Костя, он разгоняется.
Да где я, блядь, снег? Я тут вперед надо ехать.
Да не надо.
This lady clearly had the right idea when this elk started coming her way.
Hey, Himanshu.
हाँ,
Samsung को मैं दे दूँ.
ये क्या
ये भाग बरवा से.
ओए भाग कैसे?
गरम. ये हिमांशु लगे से. वैसे.
You have to be extremely brave to grab an anaconda of this size in such a way. A reptile that can break bones if it gets you. I don't know what was going through this guy's mind when he thought that this would be a good idea. This guy can consider himself extremely lucky to have gotten away from this without any injury. To catch certain reptiles. Wild animals should not be tempted like this. Why does this man think he can come into this lion's space and do what he wants?
Then it happens. That lion. Chin.
One of the most secretly aggressive animals is the kangaroo. They will come into any challenge they can.
What's up, buddy?
How cool is he?
Baboons are animals that should never be underestimated. I can assure you that they will take you on and scare you more than any bully ever could.
国境に去る術 Be careful. Wow, what? Man, samurai.
Just because this tiger's tail is wagging does not mean that it wants to play. It sees you as its prey to play with.
Ух ты! Ничего себе! Ничего себе, кидался! Что-то я не вижу ни зубов у него, ничего, блин. Нос в крови. Нифига себе. Я зубов не вижу, блин. Ух ты, бля. Ничего себе, как кричит. I really need everyone to back away.
And here we have the fastest bird on land, reminding humans who really runs the farm.
牙都不刷，你咬我呀，你打我呀，你看谁打我啊？你上剪刀布。